Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how we can use try, except and else keyword all together. Okay, so let me show you another example for this. So let's say I want to open a file. Let's say I'll just give try and I will try to open up a file. Let's say I'll just give f is equal to open, mention the file name. It is present inside my files folder. Let's say I want to open something called sample.txt. okay, in a let's say read mode. Okay, I want to open this particular file, and if something going wrong in this particular, let's say, statement, let's say if this file is not exist, so what I can do, I think I showed you, I can use one specific like exception inside Python called file not found error. Okay, file not found error. Inside that I can mention print file not found. Fine. But let's say if my file is open, that means if try condition is working fine. Okay, after that, what I can want to do, after that, if I want to perform any operation, I can write this particular operation inside, let's say, else condition. So inside else, I'll just write print f.read. Let's say I want to read this particular file. Okay, after that, see what will happen if your try block is working fine. Let's say if there is no error, definitely your code won't be going inside except block, because if exception is not there, definitely it won't be raising any kinds of exception, right? So what will happen? This will open, and your code will come in the else block, and whatever code you will be writing in the else block, it will be executed. Okay, let me show you. So here, if I execute the program, see, it's working fine. That means this sample.txt is available inside my folder and it is working fine. Okay, it is coming inside else block and it's printing this particular hello world, right? Now let's say sample.txt is not there. There is another file, let's say sample7.txt. Now see, 7.txt is not there inside my files folder. Now if I execute the program, it will raise the exception. That means this block is not working. It is coming inside except block and it is erasing this particular exception, file not found. That means I think you got it. What is the use of the else? Let's say if your try block is working, then your code will come in the else block, and in between, if something going wrong, it will go to the except block. Okay, that is the idea. Now let me correct this particular code. Now if I execute, see, it's working fine. So again, it's a small concept inside exception handling, but again, it's a super important. Sometimes actually we'll be using. So that's why I showed you. So in the next video, I'll be showing you another actually keyword we can use with the try, except and else called finally. Okay, finally keyword also we can use. So let's connect in the next video and try to understand this concept as well.